Hey guys, so welcome back. Let's take a look at what we got over here. We got this Lenovo all-in-one. It's a Windows all-in-one. Like a big tablet, it's nice, light, full OS, i5. It's a nice little machine. It's got a little kickstand back here. I didn't find any tutorials online. I didn't find any YouTube videos online. So we're gonna just have to wing this one. Let's see what we can find. So this will be one of the first ones up on YouTube for it. So hopefully it goes well. I also looked for Lenovo on the Lenovo site for the unit, and it didn't have anything either. No screws visible. There might be a screw underneath here. Probably is. And this seems like some type of tab. So let's see what we got. Looks like there probably is a screw under here. There isn't. So we'll just re-glue this back. Huh. No screw. Wow. There's not going to be a screw under here. Sometimes on the laptops you have one of these thin, actually this might have a screw right here. So on some of the HP laptops they have like these thin, rubber feet. And what I do, this one I didn't do it because it's too thick. But when it's thin, if you just rub your finger along it, and you might feel like a hole. Like this one I do. If I go there, I feel like a little hole, a little indentation there. So there actually might be a screw there. And that's what I've seen on the HP laptops. As you run, you feel like a little hole, bump. It goes in, and then that tells you that there's probably a hole there. Either way, these are little just rubber. Just make sure, take your time peeling them off. You don't want to ruin them. I mean, there's a gap. Yeah, there's a screw right there. Just pop that out. We'll leave it like that for now. That one has a screw, this one doesn't have a screw. Interesting. And this just pops. One screw, could it be? So that's loose, and you could definitely feel this pop up, but I can't imagine, this would just have one screw. I guess so. Yeah, this side's coming loose already. getting tight there. You'd be surprised. Take a look at some of these stickers. Some you might have this one. I don't think you do, but make sure you could actually touch the sticker. Make sure you don't got a screw underneath there. But no, it looks like it's going. And in this case, I'm going to try to loosen it from this side and lift out, because whenever you got jacks and USBs that power that, it's not going to pop right out because that's kind of sunk in. So we want to loosen the opposite side, right? And then it should kind of come out this way. Hopefully. It's pretty far out already. These things here, I have a feeling they have some type of function, but yeah, there we go. Again, always the philosophy is find the weak spot. It's not a matter of prying and then just, manhandling it apart. Just just baby it, a couple times over to the left, to the right, up, down, around. So you find the weak spot. You don't break pins, parts. Now we're going to try to see if we can get it open this way, because now you got two flexes. Once you get it open, take a look, because you got two flexes there for the LCD. All right, so see now I pulled it off to the side and popped open. So we got this pretty well opened up. We got the drive right there, and we want to take a look at frankly, I'm not even gonna mess around with this, with the LCD cables, because we're just gonna pop this hard drive off, test it, and if it's a drive, we're gonna pop one in there. We're gonna be good to go. So I just need to set this up. That is black. Sheesh. Dirty. Does it make a difference if you wipe it down? Is it going to work any better? No? Just a habit of doing, quality work. If it's open, give it a little wipe down. Why not? I don't know. It's up to you. As far as the airflow, you definitely want to always clean that. That's a must, because that is performance. But as far as these other little things, probably not a big deal. Here we already blew it out. Yep. That's going to be a wrap. It's that one screw holding the whole thing down. Wow. So I'm not going to snap it all into place, but we can right there just work with it just like that. Let's, yeah, we got no operating system now, but we should be able to boot externally. Or better yet, we just go straight into the OS install. Why not? Let's just go straight into the OS install. But to do that, that side is going to have to go in. Okay. We do have a battery, but if you're going to do an OS installation, you're going to need some power. And let's crank it up. Actually, we're going to have to close it up because we're not going to get to this power button. Not going to get to that power button. Let's go close it up. Usually that's how it goes. You get a little spot that just won't cooperate. Got this little spot right here. And since this is the LCD, you don't want to push it too much. We're gonna have to open it up, see if there's something there. What is it? Sometimes you could have a clip that bent the wrong way. Alright, so what's gonna be is you want to get, you want to slide in from the top end. That's what the deal is. That you go. So yeah, get that top in first. Yeah, because that has like a fish hook type clip. Get the top in, and then the rest will snap in. There you go. Yep. Top in first. So let's see if that works. Yep. Yep, and then where's the screw is on this side, correct. And this is the last one that holds it in. Alright, so that's the way to, now that we took it apart and put it together, you got that screw right there in that corner. Try to lift it from the bottom first. Bottom sides, because that top is going to just pop right out once you get the bottom out. Take a look at it, make sure it's all the sides are in, which they are. Those little legs are in. We just got to re-glue that at the end. Re-glue that little guy back. And that's what's going on today at PC 911.